Who's going to pull the sled? Do you want Rudolph to pull it?
Because he got.
What is he? Oh, it's a hole in the bottom. Here, look.
But he got.
Another hole. Look, this one can pull the sled. Can we put the presents in the sled? Can we put the presents in?
Mia! No banana.
No, let me give her. Come here. Come here. You. Come here, look. Matt, come here, please.
Mad, Mom.
Here, you want that?
Yes.
It's okay, Mia. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I want to go in the snake.
Show me. No, that's fine. Yeah, as long as I can. No, that's fine. As long as I, I'll start a new one.